Profiles used for creating lofts should have a matching number of segments. That is, a three-sided profile like this one will loft nicely to another three-sided profile. Despite the differences in the shape of the individual segments, the loft feature does a nice job of generating smooth surfaces to join them. On the other hand, a four-sided profile like this will not loft nicely to a two-sided profile. Although SolidWorks did succeed in generating a loft, a seam appears on one of the faces. SolidWorks has taken this point and mapped it onto the other profile, but I didn't have much control over that process. Typically, you want to have more of a say in how your model ends up looking, so let's take a look at how you can take control over this situation. The first method is to break up your profiles so they do have the same number of segments. Let's edit this. Method can be faster than the previous method where we actually had to edit the sketch. It's not as precise. Notice that unless I snap the control points onto existing corners, I can't be precise with their location. I can't, for instance, specify that I want this point to be located exactly at the midpoint of this arc. One more thing before I click OK. If you wish to add control points, or connectors as they're called, all you have to do is right-click along one of the profiles and select Add Connector. This gives you a new pair of connectors that you can manipulate as you wish. I'll click OK and the loft is complete.